everyone. I decided to bring you today a no-bake dessert. And this is what's going to be jumping in my pot today. Banana pudding. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients: whole milk, vanilla extract, bananas, powdered sugar, condensed milk, instant vanilla pudding, heavy whipping cream, and the vanilla wafers.
So you about to make the whipped cream now for the banana pudding?
Yes, the first thing we're going to do is to a nice clean bowl, add the heavy cream. Powdered sugar, vanilla extract.
This is a classic Southern dessert.
Yes, it is.
Very popular.
Now, I'm going to whip the cream.
It looks like it's almost done.
Yeah. See?
See, you used the hand mixer instead of the big mixer for this.
No, I didn't need the stand mixer because this is just, it's not a cake or anything. They said you can use a stand mixer or a hand mixer.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
See, I didn't know. So I'm learning something new already.
Now I cover it up, put it in the refrigerator until we're ready for that. Now we're going to move on to the next step. I have here the instant vanilla pudding.
This seems like a really simple dish here.
It is. I'm adding the condensed milk now.
Sometimes they make these dishes look so complicated, but they're really not that complicated to do.
No, it isn't. And the whole milk. Then take the handheld electric mixer and then we mix it. Now, I'm going to let this set for 3 minutes. Then we'll come back with the next step after 3 minutes. Now, this is the next step. With a rubber spatula, we're going to fold the whipped cream to the pudding mix.
How long does this take to make generally? Would you say it's a quick weeknight dessert or just quick dessert in general?
Yes, it is. Takes no more than a half an hour to prepare.
Oh,
And then you put it in the refrigerator and let it set up for about an hour.
so roughly an hour and 30 minutes. But the preparation is 30 minutes.
Yes,
So now you're going to assemble the banana pudding.
yes. We put the first layer is going to be the vanilla wafers. You put them on the bottom.
This is a good summer dish because you don't even got to turn on the oven.
Yes, it is. Because in the summer, you don't feel like turning on the hot oven, or even if it's using air conditioners, the oven still makes it hot in the kitchen. Now we're going to add a layer of bananas. Now even them out. Then we add the vanilla pudding. Then we top with another layer of vanilla wafers. Then I'm going to repeat with another layer. The same thing I just did, a layer of vanilla wafers, a layer of bananas, and the vanilla pudding and the cookies on top. Then I repeat it. Now this is what we do next. We cover this up, and then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for about 2 hours. There you have it. Easy, no-bake banana pudding. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, X, and Facebook. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye. Hit that like button.